When you walk up to buy a brush, it can often be overwhelming with all the different options that there are to choose from. How do you know which brush is best for your job, and how do you pick a brush that is good for your job without breaking the bank? We're going to answer all those questions and more in this video. The first question to ask yourself when buying a brush is, what kind of paint are you using for your project? Is it an oil or alkyd-based paint, or is it a latex or acrylic-based paint? This is important to determine because if you're using an alkyd or oil-based paint, it is recommended to use a natural bristle brush. Reason being, natural bristle brushes carry more paint than synthetic brushes. It carries more paint by absorbing the paint into each individual bristle. That allows the brush to distribute the paint more evenly. The reason you would not want to use a natural bristle brush for a latex-based paint is because it would fray the bristles, making it extremely difficult to apply and get a straight line. Therefore, when you're using a latex-based paint, you would want to use a synthetic brush. Synthetic brushes are typically made of nylon, polyester, or a blend of both. Nylon is a harder material than polyester, making it twice as abrasion resistant as polyester, and even up to 7 times as a natural bristle brush. This means your brush will not break down as quickly as the other brushes. It will also be easier to clean. Polyester, on the other hand, is a softer material. This means that a polyester brush will maintain its shape and control when exposed to heat, making it ideal for exterior use. Also, today's paints contain more acrylic resins and fast-drying solids, which stick to polyester, which would make them difficult to clean and limit the life of the brush. A nylon polyester blend brush then combines all the positive qualities of nylon, firmness, excellent paint pickup, and smooth finish, in polyester, which is added control and flexibility, and is by far the most popular professional paint brush choice due to their versatility. That's a lot of information in a little amount of time, so we're going to take a quick break, okay? Are we good? All right, awesome. So are bristles the only thing that make one brush stand out from one another? Absolutely not. Brushes have many different aspects to the makeup of them. Not only are there differences in the bristles of the brush, there are also differences in the handle, the ferrule, and the core. Some brushes use a plastic handle or generic wood, while other brushes use softer wood for their handles so that your hand won't dry out and cramp as you paint. The core of a brush can also greatly affect the efficiency and cost of the brush. There's a lot that separates each brush from the other, so instead of boring you with a 30-minute video, we've decided to film 4 short informational videos, each one focusing on one of our 4 favorite brushes here in the store. We'll be releasing a video every day this week during what we're calling Brush Week. So tune back in each day this week for more information on our favorite brushes and which ones we would recommend on whatever job you're doing. Not a brush. Okay. And then you walk in and you're like, position. Reason being, natural bristle brushes carry more. Why are you laughing? It's like all the motors in my head are like.